Acumatica customers can experience benefits of connecting to one of our two integrations to sales and use tax calculation engines, one to Vertex and the other to Avalara. With Avalara, you can easily calculate sales tax on committed as well as non-committed documents, and not just document level. On a sales order with multiple destinations, you're able to determine taxes at the line level as well. With our 2023 R1 update, we have introduced the calculation on use tax on AP bills, so Acumatica users can learn about their tax burden on AP documents. You can also improve your Acumatica records by using the integration to Avalara's address validation system to ensure correct addresses so that accurate taxes can be calculated. This is not only for single records, but also for bulk address validation that we introduced with our last release. This integration also extends to using geographic coordinates for when there isn't an actual address available. So with 2024 R1, we are announcing our integration to Avalara's exemption certificate management system. Streamline your customer's exemption certificate management without leaving Acumatica. With this ECM integration, you can easily create or update customer records from Acumatica to Avalara in bulk. You can retrieve customers' exemption status. You can view the certificates available for a customer that includes additional information, such as certificate ID, reason for exemption, effective date, certificate status, and more. And without leaving the Acumatica UI, you can leverage the email templates that are stored in your Avalara account to quickly and easily request customers for updated or new certificates. To demonstrate this functionality in Acumatica 2024 R1, once you enable the new exemption certificate management feature under external tax calculation integration, and you have configured your Avalara tax provider in the tax preferences screen, you'll be presented with a new ECM settings section where you can select your ECM provider. Then, when you're in a customer record, in the overflow menu, you will be presented with a few new options relating to this integration. You can create this customer record in Avalara or update the record if any changes were made in Acumatica to keep the records in sync. Using the Avalara address validation system, I will update this incorrectly entered address. Now, these actions can also be performed in bulk with our new Manage Exempt Customers processing screen. You can either elect to create or update customer records in bulk. Additionally, you can apply company code to these customers that are available in Avalara. The company code in Avalara corresponds to the branch in Acumatica ERP. To demonstrate, since we updated the customer record with the correct address, the system will display this as a pending change when I select the Update Customer in ECM Provider option. From here, I can choose to process the selected customers or process them all at once. In Avalara, when I'm viewing this customer record, it currently has the incorrect address. Now that I have used the Update Customer feature, when I refresh the page, I can see that this customer record was successfully updated. We also have a way to retrieve certificates for existing customers. This option opens a dialog box that can provide further details about the certificates associated with that customer. I can easily view the certificate ID, state, reason, effective date, expiration date, certificate status, as well as the mapped company code. I can also click on the hyperlink to the certificate ID to view the actual certificate in my browser, save it to my local machine, or print it. Back in Avalara ECM, there is a feature to create email templates for customers that you can use requesting for new or updated certificates. Once an email is ready to be used, you can invoke that template when you select Request Certificate option within a customer's profile. Choose the company code and email, select from a list of certificate request template emails that are available from Avalara, determine the country and state, and finally, an optional field with a list of predetermined reason for exemptions are also available for you to select. As seen from the demonstration, this integration expands the capability to provide a streamlined exemption certificate management experience, all from within Acumatica.